Let's take Gromor Nano Fertilizers from the lab to the field now. Thanks to its advanced nanoparticles, Gromor Nano Fertilizers are absorbed rapidly. While regular nutrients takes a day to move through the soil, Gromor Nano Fertilizers are assimilated within 2 hours of spraying. Gromor Nano Fertilizers provides essential nutrients exactly when your crops need it most.
How much should I use?
Just 2 simple sprays can transform your crop's potential. The first spray is 500 milliliters per acre during the vegetative stage. Ideally, 25 to 30 days after sowing or transplanting. Follow up with the second spray at the pre-flowering stage, 35 to 40 days after sowing or transplanting.
This isn't just good. This is the best.
Gromor Nano DAP has the potential to replace half to 1 full bag of traditional DAP, depending on the crop. Gromor Nano Urea has the potential to replace 1 bag of urea used in top dressing depending on the crop.
Gromor Nano Fertilizers. Best in quality, best in results.
Experience the future of farming with Gromor Nano Fertilizers.